Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Um, what's up? I'm just doing my analysis real quick. Just give me a second. So, first thing first, I really don't like that we're closing back above this if we're gonna continue lower. Ideally, we do if we wanna go longer. So, yeah. Uh, we did inverse this, which I don't like. But actually, I don't even know. What's low here? 24, 897, 24, 897. Yeah, we did close above it by 2 ticks, I believe. So this becomes an inversion for me. We still have this upper one, I don't know. So that's really what I'm waiting for right now, to see if we're gonna have some. It's not really clear in my opinion, because we can still come up here, sweep this and go lower. I am gonna mark down the previous, obviously the previous day high, and see what we could do from there. But so far, yeah, I'm not really liking it too much. I do gotta be careful, because if we close above this one high, then I would consider this a breaker, and then I would obviously want to see it. So I'm just gonna be patient today. I can see both sides. I can see it's going lower and I can see it's going higher, but we will be patient nonetheless. I also noticed that we're probably gonna leave this opening gap, and we're probably gonna tap into this H4 more block. I was seeing this morning. So yeah, I gotta be very careful, because now we have beta raise, and if it's close the order block for rally, I am gonna write this on the lower time frame though. I'm also gonna translate this to the lower time frame. So I'm gonna see what happens here. We just have opening just now, so that's interesting. I want to see it lower, and then if we want to go high, then I'll probably look higher from here. I want to see what we do here. Oh shoot. I'll open up the channel feed. Let me just do my pre-analysis real quick. Give me a second. Stupid dog. You ruined my live stream. Ooh. Alright, again, I would really want to see some sort of SMT here or something, you know, and then just try to look for a high or something. But the bias is not too clear for me right now, and I definitely gotta see if we cleared out the previous day high for. Which I think we just did. Hold up. What is this? This is yes, right? Oh, we did indeed. So right now we have SMT with the previous. We did sweep previous hourly high. Here at 1, right? Let me write this down. Oh, we did take it, yeah. No, we didn't, yeah. Yeah, we already have some teeth. Interesting. I didn't see that just now. Seven, 34. So I'm gonna write this down. If we could see along from here, then I might consider yeah, I'd rather just wait, really. I'd rather just wait for this to close and then perhaps at yeah, so I'd rather just wait for this to close, create a fair value up, tap in here, and then perhaps then decide from there if we're gonna look for longs. It'll give me more reason to look for, like, I'll have more arrays, bullish arrays. I'm going to wait to 10. I'm not really changing. So right now, what am I talking about? I'd rather just wait till 10, and then hopefully we create a fair value gap here, and then we tap into it at 10, and boom, off to the races. But yeah, so far, I mean, we're probably looking a little bit more bullish, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna write down the opening prices just now. Give me a second. $8.30 here. Where's midnight? Where's midnight? Oh, shoot, we're way above midnight. That's interesting. Oh, okay. 8:30 here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Hopefully we leave like equal highs or something that would make me more enticed to look for longs. Because right now, I mean, I can see both sides. Really. And I'll probably want to wait for like a 5-minute structure back up or something, you know, something that would give me the idea that we want to go long again. There we go. I am gonna write down the 9:30 though for sure. I'll check the China view, my bad guys. I'm just doing my pre-analysis. Sheesh. I'm writing that wrong. Open range gap. That's too loud. I just realized. I apologize. So yeah, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. That's why do I'm in queue. I'm at it. What are those rays that I just wrote? I'll check later. Open, close, open range cap. Let me write it down for ES as well. Closed here. Where do we open up? We open up right here. Alright. Now the micro. Close. It really does help that I do these what's when is a daily fair value gap that we're in. There we go. Okay, we're good now. Regular trading hours. Nice. Okay. Where first presented? 9:30. This is 9:30. No, this is 9:30. We have our first presented right here. $10, $10:30. But I don't know if I trade. I'll just wait till then. 10:50. So again, that's what I'm waiting for. I think we tapped into it yet. Did we? What's low here? Low 24,926. Yeah, we did by a quarter. Okay, interesting. I'd rather just wait though. I'd rather just wait for that order block form at 10. Alright boys, we're back in business. Open up my chat. Give me a second. Shout out to the person watching me. I appreciate you, man. Alright. Alright, we're good. We have both 15 minutes of charts up here. Dude, what? What am I doing? Oh, wait, what? Wait, what is that? Okay. I would really prefer to go lower. I don't want to just see this little tap and then go higher. I prefer to go lower. A little lower. So, where's the first presented here? Oh well, we're just about now get it. It might be this right here. Trade what, Tuesday, right? Do we have any news? I don't really even be checking the news right now as of yet, just because of like where we are in the market. With the government shutdown, but 10:50. 10:50 to 11:10. Nice tap into that 4 hour, beautiful. But I'd rather have a little deeper retracement into it and get a fair value gap or something. Oh, we don't have that no more. See, alright, whatever. I'll see. What the fuck was that? You saw the guys? It just immediately blasted. Whoa, that's not good. Alright, boys, time to lock in. Let's get it. Let's get it, boys. Yo, shout out to the people who dropped a like. I appreciate it, guys. Alright, let me have the all messages. Oh, let me have this here. Alright. So we are now just getting a tap into that. I do see we have a fair value up here, but this frame version looks nice too. What is it called? Ooh, that's gonna shoot at me. Let's see. I will keep that in the charts. It looks pretty nice. Same with the air. So I am kind of expecting to catch up. I think I just gotta be careful though. I just want to see some sort of SMTs created, which we are getting right here with pre-market. For now, I'm gonna take it off. Nice, tap back into it. We are creating SMTs at the lows as well. Right here. But I'm not. I mean, we just haven't stepped for our POI. I would just wait like, yeah, for like, I was gonna say for like a 5 minutes you just stay or something, but I don't even think I lowered my quality. SMTs. I'd really rather be careful. Yeah, I'd rather wait a little bit. Oh, yeah. I'd rather not get caught up in something like this. I'd rather have us a deeper retracement, which we kind of did. I want to see it go a little deeper. Yeah, we have it in media, I believe. 24, 9, 20 and a half. Yeah. I mean, we could close above this and I'll probably look for a long continuation. I don't know, I'll see. I'll see what I'm looking for. So this is what I'm looking at right now, the 4 hour. Like, if we were gonna go low, I would prefer to go low from here, from this city. Or if we were gonna sweep this and go low, we should go low now. I am gonna write these higher time frame SMTs regardless. Regardless. I really gotta pay attention, because if we see like a huge displacement through a leg, then I'm most likely not going to look for a thing anymore. Yeah, you see, I rather just wait for. I don't have SMT here anymore. Technically still do. There we go. I am keeping this high time frame POI though, that I am aware of. I am aware of this level, guys. I'm gonna leave it long, guys. I'm gonna leave it long, a little long. I'm not gonna go crazy the rest of the day, obviously. But I am nonetheless going to look for reversals up to the upside. We're gonna close soon, so I'm just gonna wait till 10 to see what happens. I would low-key want to see a little deep driver, you know what I mean? We are taking back soon. We're trying to refill that back gap. So we can reject like that level and just go higher, then that'd be pretty low. So let's see what happens here. For sure, be paying attention. I'm seeing this as a breaker. Let me see a 30-minute. Yeah, I don't want to see a closure below this, really. I want to start expanding higher. We tap back into that SIBI again. Back to the SIBI, right into the inversion. So we're good. We're good. So far we're good, guys. We're good. We're looking good. We're looking good for continuation higher. Something that would make me feel comfortable probably is look for for like 5 minutes change of state or something. You still have SMT with those lows, I think, no? At 7:30. Yeah, I think so. One hour. Yeah, I want to see this close back into. Alright, boys, let's get it. I want to see it. I want to see us close above this. I want to see what we have here, guys. Yeah, we have a 5 minute order block. We have SMTs. I think we did tap into. No, we didn't. Not for NQ. It's weird. Interesting. I'm gonna wait. What's this? Oh, I'm assuming the OTE fib from here. We did close above it now. We'll go with 1. I like this. Maybe we're gonna close this. I just gotta be. Oh, we did. The fuck? Oh. I'm gonna buy limit 1. Alright guys, I'm putting in my order here. And if we retrace back into here, then now add another one. This is now a breaker. Sheesh, look at NQ go. I'm probably gonna move my stop loss too late. Let me move this up real quick. Hold up. Let me have both ready. Let me have ES. Let me have. Bruh. I'm waiting for this tap. Back into this fair value gap. I'll be patient. I'm not gonna chase this move, but I am gonna have my stop loss below here or something. I don't think price should be coming down here no more at all. It'll be 1, 2, yeah, here should be fine. I'm waiting for a tap into the new week opening gap. Which is weird because here we did tap into it. I'll pay attention to thingy right now. 15. Interesting. I'm gonna just wait. We can have a little retracement back in here. It's fine too. My stop loss is gonna be here below the breaker. You know what? I'm gonna wait. Nice closure back above it. I just want to see something real quick. Hold on. It can be like below here. Yeah, I'm only going with one. It's a huge stop. It'll be 1, 2. Yeah, I like this closure. Whether we're gonna get a temp into it, I don't know. I'll probably have to mark down where's it called? Target projections. Good morning, guys. I'm looking for a long. Is it gonna give it to me? I have no freaking idea. Order block. Let me lower this. I'm gonna just be patient, guys. I'm looking for longs. We tap back into an inversion. No more rice and teas. Let's go. What we do? Shit. Never mind. We tap into this, there, guys. Inversion. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah. We also had, I think, a 4-hour order block here. Right to the tip. Look at that. Boom. I'm just waiting for an entry because allow me to get in. It looks like all-time highs are on the way. Ay. So again, guys, I'm just waiting patiently. Really, I'm not trying to rush anything into this. We are about to have a 5-minute fair value gap, so that's something I'm definitely gonna be looking into. We actually take this from this range and project it higher. We close in 2 minutes. I want to see what happened there. Bruh. I want to have a little retracement for the 10-hour candle. You see, we have no, or we do have a 10-year wick. I want to retrace lower. I'm not chasing this move, by the way, but it looks like we are respecting so far nicely the PD arrays. But I'm not gonna rush this in because, to be honest with you guys, I really just wait for this retracement back into the 5-minute. If we could get it. If we could get it. Or even retracement to 50% of this wick. Ah, yeah. I'd rather just wait. Nice closure though. we're about to see previously high, which by then I wouldn't really be interested as much. Oh yeah, it's the scope, guys. I don't know. It's really right now the market is really so tricky. If I'm being honest, this would be a breaker right here. Nice low resistance though. I'm not gonna lie. My market order is here, but I'll probably just wait or something. Alright, we better have a tracing back to this 5 minute. We're just gonna continue going down, it's gonna suck. Tough. I think we can retrace back into here. We just swept that previous thing. No, I think we just swept it, right? Previous daily high. Yeah. Just swept it, guys. Nice, beautiful retracement, but it didn't allow me to get in, guys. I was trying to get in from here, really, breaker. BPM, yeah. It looks like it's not gonna tag me in anymore, which sucks, but oh yeah, it is what it is. I'm not gonna chase this move. What's this? What's this? What the freak is this? No more SMT. This is nice. I'm thinking continuation, but I'll just wait. I'll see. 10:07. Cause I could expect like a SMT M1 or something, and then just continue going higher from there. So I'll just be waiting for this. Perhaps we could trade back into this 5 minute. Dude, I hate when we leave way too many Peter Rays open. Like, it's so freaking annoying. Is it anchored to the daily? 4 hour? Not really. So yeah, look like we are gonna be bullish, if I'm being honest. The question is, how are we gonna get in? Nice sweep of liquidity. I think we had S&T at the lows with this, right? Yeah, we did. So yeah, I mean, I was right about the thingy, but I couldn't get in, so that kind of sucks. And we didn't go below, like, oh, we did below the opening, never mind. Sheesh. Wow. I'm gonna have these right here. We did just tap into a new week opening gap. That's crazy. Well, sucks, but you know it is what it is. I'm not gonna pick a reversal. Hell no. That's why I was waiting for this to get tapped into. We also did have a 5-minute change instead of the level right here. Definitely was a good trade for me. Right here. However, I did not like. I wanted to see a tap into this FEG. That's what I was waiting for. Cause we had I believe we had a new week opening gap here. Hold on. We didn't have it. We had it for NQ right here. You can see we tapped. I was just waiting for here and then tap into here. New week opening gap, and then my stop was gonna be like right here. But then it just did this BS. So nonetheless, guys, I'm still waiting. I'm not gonna be FOMOing into this stuff. We're tapping into a new week opening gap. Interesting. Nice. At least the market is able to move better than that, but I don't know. I really just wait for continuation. If I'm being honest. It's crazy because I really thought we were gonna tap into the here. I guess not. I guess all-time high is the question. I really wait for retracement, and then if we're gonna go high, then I would really want to see us. Like this was a nice closure, not gonna lie. I saw this too, I was like, look, nice closure, but I wasn't gonna get in here now. I thought it was gonna be huge. I'd rather just have waited. Hey. I don't know, I'd rather just go for longs. I feel like if we were gonna respect it, we would have been. Wait, did we even close above 50% of that? Nah, but I did. I want to see closures. I mean, continue going high into all-time highs. Oh shit, I have it here. breaker. So right now what I'm waiting for is like a retracement in destruction of the market one to go higher. Like that. That's what I'm waiting for. And some sort of internal liquidity, like market structure shift, like what's it called? I'm not rushing right now, by the way. My dumbass had both NQ and NQ, and I didn't have it. I thought I had ES opened up. Yeah, I'm waiting for a retracement. I'm waiting for a retracement, cause I'm not going to get in. So I guess we are going for all-time highs again. Interesting. So again, I told you guys I wanted to tap into it, which we did. It was nice. It was beautiful. It was beautiful nonetheless. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. It was gorgeous. I'm thinking how much I would have to go in. This where it's probably gonna be. That's a lot, dude. But I mean, back to the, we would create a new type of high, I guess. I don't know. I'll be patient. Bro, I was trying to get into this, dude. Like, why you let me in? I'm telling you guys, I was just waiting for this tap of the new week. I'll remove this real quick. When this was happening, I wanted to see us tap back into here, into this new week opening gap right here, the low of it. That's why I was confident in getting in. But not on MQ. On MQ, the fair value gap is higher. On NQ, it's, I think, below it. You see? So I was waiting for us to tap back into this fair value gap. Wait, what the fuck? Hold up. Did it just move? Yeah, same thing though. I wish I would have tapped into this and then gone higher from here. And then would have been a nice trade. My stop loss was probably it, but it's gonna be this breaker. And then obviously we would have been up by now a pretty good amount. But it is what it is, so we're not gonna get FOMO. We're gonna do FOMO out here. So what am I looking for right now? Something like this. Like that. Click better. Something like that on the lower time frames. I'm not gonna rush this in. Let me write down 10:30. Let me see what happened at 10:30. Ideally during the 10:50 macros when I would really want to start looking for something, but let's see. We shall see. Boom, boom. So again, from here to here, I'm just waiting for Equilibrium retracement. That's tough. That's really tough. I mean, we got a trade yesterday, so that's fine. We don't really have to get a trade today as well. We don't have to trade every day. So I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait. Again, my high time frame analysis comes from the 4 hour. We do have this huge SIBI, which I am aware. I'm aware of this SIBI, but to be honest with you guys, like if we were gonna think it respected, we should have respected it like at least 50%. When we were really bearish, we closed above this, and we had this. Okay, I'm like, okay, so that's why I told you guys, like, I don't know if we're gonna continue from this POI, or we're gonna go higher or lower. I don't know that. I don't know that much. What I did know is like if we were gonna hold this one, we should have gone from here and had a new low today, or something like that. But we closed above it, and I said, okay, so now this no longer serves to me as a bearish array. Now it's the opposite. Then we have this order block. We extended forward. I guess you can see it here more, which is basically aligned with the SIBI, and beautiful tap into this right around this time. You see it right here. That's why I was like, okay, if we have a closure above here, this change of state, I will get in. But then we had another displacement. I'm like, okay, I'm going with one. I'm gonna risk less. I'm only risking like 150. I wanted to put my stop loss entry here, and then my stop loss is gonna be below this breaker. Why this breaker? Because it's 3 periods. The breaker 1, the inversion 2, the other fair value gap 3 and 4. So it's more for, so the price should not really be coming down. So that's why I was gonna enter here, but it literally never tapped me in, and and because I had SMTs at the lows, and then it just straight up boom from here. So it is what it is, though. But I'm not gonna trip about it. I do want to see if we trace this lower. We already have a 15-minute change set as well, right here. So, it is what it is, guys. Either we're just gonna continue going higher from here, or we're not. I don't know. Nice. Like, I don't think we had a body. Oh, we did. I was like, oh, bro, I was tripping. Look at this. Look at the little wick, dude. I was waiting for a little bit more retracement, either whether it was up to this, inversion, what's it called, wicks, or not, right there. I want to see like taps like this, something like that, and then obviously during this there would have been an entry in the lower time frames, but it didn't allow me to do that, so no trade for me. It sucks, but it's trading. It's trading. And Q does look weaker. And I think we have a suspension block. Fair value up top, fair value up bottom. I'm not interested in taking these long, guys. I'm not. Well, do we have enough range to play around with it? Not really. We are respecting the upper fair value gap, but it's in a premium, so if you're in a trade, then this obviously you want to hold so you can go higher. But I'm not. I'm close this for a bit. Oh, yo. I'm see if Tiny's in trade.
Has been consolidating quite high.
Let me see what she sent to move. Let me see her pre-analysis.
Anyway.
This is where I compare my ideas with other people.
Wonder how many people are still short from Friday and not doing much since then. Yeah, I gotta wait and see. So far we have a SMT previous daily high was never hit for NASDAQ.
Yeah, that's what I was. I like compare my analysis, guys.
I'm pretty neutral today.
We trade pretty similar. I'll keep them all.
But I'll vlog it. Strange. But like it's hot.
Oh, she didn't have the inversion of the 4 hour. I'm telling you, the 4 hour is so important. Like I oh, she was short at one point.
Actually, but more of like this.
Wait, why is she getting short? What did she see? Oh, the displacement, but.
Okay. See if it happens. Okay.
Oh, because she was looking at I think the daily SMT's on top too. Yeah, that's what was worrying me for longs.
London low, ideally. 868.
I was looking for a Russia during this POI turn.
Deal with. Don't love that I'm already in drawdown. This. We're back in this 15-minute now inversion again. That's before my stop. You know, back to draw.
She was short.
Why you gotta be like this?
Interesting. That's interesting. I'm assuming she was looking at the SMTs. I told you guys we did have SMT at the time with yes. So during this time when I guess she was trading it, we took it here, and then we hadn't taken it here. So we had SMTs and stuff. But the thing is, I was just looking at the 4 hour, dude. I mean, for me, the 4 hours was like really what was paying attention, like the drawing board for me. We already inverted this. We already have a change of state and delivery here. This is technically a Persian block. We finally have a 4 hour change of state. Well, a clear one. Cause this, I don't like, for me guys, like I don't like using like these little. So you see how this is the last swing low, and it's the last swing high. For me, when prices are just gonna chop around here, like in the middle, I don't count like what's in the middle of the change state. I count it as once for a break above it or below it. You know what I mean? So once we hit close above here, then I already have a change state. Then I think same thing with, that's the same reason why in the 1 minutes I don't be using like for example, right? People do this. Like this is like technically this is like the last leg. Like let's just say, okay, let me put this a little clearer. Like let's just say we had equal highs, right? And then the last one leg, we did this, right? And I want to go lower. Okay, like we just took a buy side and then we have something lower. For me, like during this little, we have like little M1 order blocks. Like I don't trust this I don't trust this as a market structure shift. Like I don't trust this as a market structure shift. Why? Because to me, this was the last leg. So for me to break, I would want to see us break below this. And then this would be the breaker. And then whatever it's here, like I would use as a breaker. You know what I mean? Like right here. I would use as a breaker. And then this was not really market structure shift. This is a breaker, whatever, fair value gap, whatever. You know what I mean? So then I would just wait for the tap back into it and then lower. But for me, this internal structure is not a clear market structure shift. Like right now, you see how we're doing this right now? But for right now, we're the opposite actually. I'm waiting for a continuation now, so I'm just waiting for a retracement back into equilibrium before going higher. But yeah, that's really how I see the structure. But It is what it is, though. I mean, we continue high, and I don't really care, dude. But 1050 is definitely like after 1050 is like something I'm going to look for. Nice. We have highs at the S&T at the. Interesting. This would be nice for shorts. But I rather see SMTs here, not here, because this is not with my buys overall. So I'd rather see something like going to rather trade down into equilibrium. Boom, 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 and then like boom, 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 and then this would be my new buy side, my mini structure internal liquid buy side. But I would want to see SMTs here, like ideally somewhere here. Let's just say ES takes it, right? The swing low, and then ES doesn't, or whatever, vice versa. Then this will be SMT. Rather than the other one taking it, well, the other one didn't. That means this one ideally should be stronger because it didn't have like the strength to go lower. So then I would go in back in. However, I'm gonna wait. For me, my draw is the all-time highs again. All-time high, baby. Look at these beautiful equal highs. Well, we didn't have it here, but we had it here. That's what I'm saying. NQ just looks. Now we're definitely looking stronger, dude. I was a little bit more hesitant here, like during this POI, because yeah, it just wasn't too clear. We just finally closed above it here. So now I'm definitely more bearish. I'm bullish, sorry. I'm like 70% bullish now. Going into tomorrow, whatever the reason may be. But obviously we're just gonna wait. Cause it left our train, you know. Our train left us today. I was trying to get into this for value gap. It was also a breaker. But guess what? We never did get into it. Sorry, I lied here. This right here. We saw the change of state, which was good. Change state. However, we got no entry, and I was waiting for this new week opening gap to tag me in here. Bro, it looks so. Yeah, so you see this new week opening gap? It tapped above it. So I was waiting for this entry here, and then boom, radios high like that. But entry was gonna be below this breaker. We already had a fair value gap, a pre-PR, a breaker. You know, a whole bunch of good PDRAs to thing. But it just didn't let me do it, so we are holding this SMT. Like if we have a nice market structure shift to the downside, it will look good for the shorts. We took it one more time. It's weird because NQ now is the stronger one. And ES was originally the stronger one. Look at that. But look at that rejection though. Look at that. Yo, I'm telling you, new week opening gaps are so freaking golden. That's why I always keep them. They're good. Same reading I took yesterday, a long, based on the 15-minute right here. That's why I longed this. We almost had a new week opening gap. Boom. Nice. This is looking. I'm gonna lie, bro. This was juicy right here. I can see why Tanya looked for this long too, bro. Look at this juicy liquidity. You see how we're just going up slowly? Whenever we have like slow price action, like just really look at price. It's going like this. Like a little snake, like a little worm, right? And then whenever we look for this liquidity that was formed, we go fast, you know. Just pay attention. Pay attention to like how price moves. Like this. Again. You see how we're just going down slowly, and then we take out the south one more time, and boom. You see that, right? Like we're just going down slowly, and boom. That's why today, like I could have seen like why Tanya was going thingy. I wanted to see that's what I'm saying. I wanted to see a little bit more of a deeper retracement, but it ain't happened. So what can we do? Where's the 5 minute? If anybody took a GG, it didn't let me get in, so whatever. If you guys are new, feel free to subscribe. Your name will pop up on the screen. I don't know why, like, I don't know if people have. Whoa, what up? Wait, I'm gone. Wait, why did I just freeze, bro? There. Let me see something. Hello, 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 hello. Hello? Bruh, why you guys didn't tell me this? Okay, we're good. Oh, shit. Alright. Dude, it's so slow right now, bro. Nice, we're not even having displacement. That's tough. Like, for example, right here, like, we took by that one more time. For me to clearly have a market structure shape would be this leg, because this is the last leg that took us higher. I wouldn't trust like this as a market structure shape. This is why during these times I would probably just have to demand like a closure below this breaker, so I could look for shorts. You know, I would definitely need to see NQ catching up or something. Ay. It's boring, dude. It's so boring. Why are you so boring? I'm gonna take this off. Whenever like the price begins to disrespect like so much thingy, like I'd rather just not do that. So this looks nice for shorts in my opinion. Let me see a 2 minute. Yeah, it looks alright, dude. It's just too choppy, you know. I'd rather just wait for a clear version of this to confirm likelihood of going lower. But if you're taking this short and you see the market structure shift, technically you would really want to see this hold as a potential to go lower. You know, it's like I would demand it, but look at NQ. NQ is just pushing up higher, so this is not good. It's consolidation, so we could just have one more push up again. But they just say we did below here, then this would really be a POI where you would really want to be interested in. I'll probably put it up here and go lower. But I just don't like it. I don't like it. This is really alright. Nice. This is good. This is good. You could take the next for rally up if you really feel if you feel like you missed this one. Look at this though. I don't like the closures. We're getting SMTs, which I don't like. We're getting SMTs with this low, I think. What time was this? A 10 or 18.
You know how awesome it is to know.
I would really want to see closures now. Come on, dude. Okay. There's also a volume advantage right here. I mean, so far it looks alright. Nothing crazy, but I would definitely want to start seeing lower prices now. It would be dope if we come lower, right, to here, and then through here, and then 1050 or 950 we continue higher. That'd be dope. That's how I'm just waiting for that macro. And I'm not gonna risk a lot, obviously. We made back the loss from yesterday. We're getting SMTs, which I don't like. This I don't like. I need NQ to start breaking down lower to equilibrium. You see? Oh shit, sorry. So you see we made back the loss from mostly, not everything obviously, but we mostly made everything back from like the past week in one day. The importance of not over trading, guys. or not letting the that's why today, like, I really don't look like for like, I'm not looking for a crazy like unless it looks super duper clean, I'll take it. But it would just be with half risk. Why? Because it's already off my time zone. Usually like trading within the 10 to 11 macro or 950 to 11 or thingy. Well, I would have been already like to be in a trade. I don't like just getting into a trade during that time zone. So, I would just wait, guys, for this. But yeah, we're kind of already wiped out yesterday's week. So even if I don't take a trade and tomorrow looks nicer, then I'll definitely feel more confident. Because I was gonna go in with like with 200 rather than like the full 3 or 4, 350, whatever. But it just didn't allow me today, so we would have been up a good amount. Ooh, nice trade right here. Beautiful. I like this. I like that for sure. But I don't like that we're having SMTs. Let me write this down. Hold up. Like I said, like if you really wanted to go short, then this would have been ideally the place. I don't have that type of balls. It's not convincing enough for me. I don't like trading retracements as much. What time is it? 10:40. 10:40. 10:40. 10:40. Okay. 10:40. For libs. For longs. There. Let me copy and paste this thing real quick. So guys, this is really what's gonna help you out the most. Like, I still do this after I don't even know how long, dude. September, like I'll show you. We could go way back. I don't even know a random date of last year. January, I think January, yeah. You see? This one I train Forex, I believe. But you see, like this is what the importance. It's funny how far we've came. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyways, back to the charts. Like I said, guys, if this was the POI you felt confident shorting, because you are expecting retracements, and this would definitely be yeah, but I don't know. It doesn't align with me. Like maybe it would be in the future. Like it was in the future for me, like scalp. But the more you're in this game, the more you're just waiting for better probability setups. Because you could risk more. You just overall feel better, in my opinion. Like you're risking more, but you have a better chance of like. We did close below 50% of this. Interesting. So we're beginning to fail bullish arrays. You see how here we were able to go higher. Here we're failing to do so now. So I would expect this to start dropping pretty soon. For here, we don't even have the 5-minute fair value gap touched into it yet, which kind of sucks. I like fair value gap more than nodal blocks if I'm being honest. Like now we're beginning to see the displacement, Frank Q. Oh, this is looking clean for longs later, dude. It's looking clean. We're about to tap into the 5 minutes soon enough. we're about to get soon enough into thingy. Let's get it, boys. We're not nowhere near the equilibrium for thingy, but we'll just be patient. We don't gotta rush this right now. It's good. Yeah, I don't even want to trade. Okay, I don't like trains like they're outside of my time zone really. Where's 10 a.m.? Yeah, it's whatever, dude. Like, I'm not really comfortable trading this right now. For me, the move is already like, in my opinion, it's already.
I got Lydia out.
Yeah, dude. I don't really want to trade this anymore. I'm done trading this. I'm done for the day. Maybe later in the 130. At 130 because maybe we see something at 130. So I'll probably look to get engaged during that time. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done for the day. It's not really worth it in my humble opinion. If I take a trade, then I'll probably. I don't even know. I'll show you guys tomorrow, I guess. But the thing is, I'm just like thinking with the afternoon session. I have like a bad taste with it because that's usually days where like previously I would crash out, you can say, and I would begin over trading and stuff, and that's usually where bad things happen for me, honestly. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna stream here, boys. I'm gonna go walk my dog and stuff like that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. See you guys. See you, boys.